Pass a motherfucking switch and pour some motherfucking liquor for my motherfucking niggas who ain't with us, keep it drillin'. With my gold teeth, my French braids, getting those since 10th grade. Wealth is in the mind, not the pocket, that's the case and I've been paid. Herringbone chain, my gold frames, my Cartiers, you small change, you bitch made. I'm old school like gym stars and switchblades. I spit game, I get paid, I pimp game, my pimp, I be that pretty motherfucker. A$AP is just my nickname. That perp shit, I zip up, your bitch show you slip up. I get my dick lit, I'm draped out, dripped up. I'm at the top of the line, all of my grind, all the ladies on my mind, and running, we're gonna hit one at a time. Them bad bitches blow kisses by my earlobe. A weirdo, but I'm weird though.
You turn my head, turn the beat up like distortion. Trippy. I don't do shit about nothing but money. Cash. Yes, sir.
Cash in the bag, 12 up hash, blue in the count and I pulled out the mask. Weed to repeat, up all night. Cash over sleep, got hoes all tight. Live and you learn, grind and you earn. Bitch, I'm on fire, I sip and I burn. Stacking up money, flipping it too. Y'all heard me what the Benjamins do. I'm bouncing through the club like this. I'ma hit the dope, I'ma hit the lick. Nigga get wrong, I'ma hit a nigga. Take a nigga bitch home and I'ma hit her.
Rapping TGOD, all these diamonds on me. Passing every joint that I roll to the ones that grinding with me. Now that's Taylor. Homie, that's Taylor. That's Taylor. Homie, that's Taylor.
Oh, okay. That's pretty good. Let's check it out. Yeah.